This is my garden before the transformation. So we've got the pergola, decking frame, barbecue, outdoor chairs, swinging chair, and table and stools. So now what we're going to do is remove all the decking frame. Comes up nice and easy. There we go. Got the decking frame up. There's our first delivery. I'm going to put a picture on the screen so you can see what I bought. So that come to a total of £780 English pound. The insulation there, I paid £80 off Facebook, which is good because that stuff there is quite expensive. That's for the floor insulation. Karen?
Yeah.
You helping? So what we did here, we folded the grass over, then we cut it so we can get a bigger space, bigger area. So now we just threw all the hardcore and the sand over there underneath. And now we're going to do the posts. So we've got to dig 2 feet deep. I'd say this part here is the longest. If we didn't have insulation on the floor, then it would have been a lot quicker because you've got to keep cutting it out down to the size. Then what we did, dug some more holes, 2 feet deep. And then we got some engine oil, painted it with engine oil so it doesn't rot.
Doing a YouTube video. Oh, okay. Use my one.
What are you doing, Kyle? Working. Put it the wrong way, you know. Fuck's sake. That was it.
Yeah.
Fucking
So finally we finished the boards. Now we're going to move on to the frame. So I found these French patio doors on eBay for £300. He had it up for 550, but we got him down. So now we're just putting the frame up. So our next delivery is 65 cladding boards. Tell you what, banging these nails down took about literally an hour to bang all them nails down. I finally got the floor down. Now gonna put some insulation in and get the plasterboards on. So we're running a 2.5mm cable, armoured cable through the house. So we put extra noggins there for the TV on the wall, extra secure wood.
Copa America finals there, Argentina.
I've only just found out someone tried to shoot Trump.
Yeah.
Heard that, he's dead
What the
though.
fuck?
20-year-old lad.
He got shot in the ear.
Did he?
Yeah, Trump got shot.
9 lives though, ain't he? Fuck me, man.
Now we're going to fill in all the gaps with filler, and then we're going to wallpaper it with lining paper, and then paint it over it to get that nice look. We had to sack the guy who was doing the wallpaper because look there, you can see a big long crease. So I had to get the missus to do it, you know. So she finished the wallpapering off, and then we got the paint done. Then here, what happened here, we had to go back on ourselves because it was bowing at the front because of the weight of the roof was only on a 3x2. So we made a mistake, so we had to cut out the 3x2 and put a 6x3 wood in, and then we had to double up on the sides with the 3x2 to give it more support. Got these nice mats from Halfords, 60cm by 60cm foam mats. There we go. Finally got the inside finished, walls painted, looking nice and neat. All the gym equipment in, cable machine screwed to the wall. So how much it cost me in materials. So there's a little breakdown of what I bought. There was a few odd things I must have got as well, but that's the main stuff. And total estimate was around £3,000. Also, I didn't build the shed on my own, so I employed someone to help me, which was 45 hours in total. So estimate around 4.5 days, and that was at £22.50 per hour. Got my friend to help me with the digging, and then I employed someone to fill the plaster, board and wallpaper. So that in labour was 1,300. So all in all, around 4,300 I'd say I've spent on the Summerhouse gym, and that's including the plasterboard, the insulation, that's including the electrics,